Hello everyone, rise and shine, and welcome to my Savage Prompts review. Savage Prompts going live today on the 8th of August, 9 a.m. New York time. It is the newest launch from Nelson Long. Right, okay, sorry about the light. I don't have my equipment with me. I am currently away in Wales, so hello from Swansea. And the seagulls are going nuts out there, so if it gets a bit noisy, then you know why, okay? Right, anyhow, let's get on with this launch. Pretty cool. So I have the sales page here, and you'll get to the sales page via my written review, guys, so go check it out. So I have put all of the information together for you to help you make an educated decision. Okay, here are my bonuses. Here is the funnel, only 3 upsells. There will be some amazing inline offers as well. So the front end is $14.95, and after the launch is over, the price will jump to $19.95. However, guys, let me tell you something, okay? During the launch, you can also get the discount of $5. You see this coupon, Savage Prompts 5 off? So it's gonna drop to $9.95, and this is a steal of a deal. It's a PLR product as well. I'll show you the product. I love how just beautiful, stunning, well organized it is. Okay, I have tested the prompts with ChatGPT, so I'll show you the results. Amazing stuff. It's very helpful for coaches, for anyone working on how to increase productivity via doing personal work, inner work. Okay, it is very, very it goes with the spirit of time. It's very trendy, and these prompts will give you results that you can then, of course, rebrand as well. You can sell the product as is. You just need to, if you want to use it as a PLR and resell it, okay? If you want to resell these prompts, and as we know, prompts are very much sought after, the best-selling product these days. If you package them up, they become products, right? Right, and my point was that you can reuse the content. So you see, I was using some of the prompts, and let me tell you, you have the prompts put together, divided into 100 categories. And under each category, you have like a sequence of prompts. So let me show you how I use it with ChatGPT. So so the number 1 prompt was, help me identify the roles and masks I wear to please others. Okay, so this is what it came up with. You see the amazing, like very, very professional, very expert-like, okay, knowledge. And then, of course, you can ask whatever AI you're using to repurpose this content for your YouTube Shorts, for your TikTok, for YouTube videos, for blogs, for emails, for newsletters. Sky's the limit for Medium. Medium would love this sort of content, okay? LinkedIn as well, and other platforms. And it's very easy to do. You just say, you just command AI, repurpose it for, highly ranking SEO optimized optimized, which is large language model optimization, right? Large language model friendly. So your content can actually rank inside of AI. There was a product a while ago from Davis Vino, Traffic Tsunami, which was all about LLMO friendly content, about creating this kind of content. I actually still use this AI traffic strategist, and other bots from the Traffic Tsunami as well is another amazing one. But the AI traffic strategist is something I use all the time. It's amazing, okay? Anyhow, sidetracking. So my point is that, so you see, this was the first prompt from the sequence of 5 prompts. So the peacemaker is the must, the caretaker, the fixer. How true is that? The achiever, overperformer, the chameleon, the entertainer, yes, the invisible one, you hiding, okay? How to spot your masks, okay? And then the next prompt was, show me how those masks are killing my confidence and peace. So you see, The prompts are designed in such a way to give you, to agitate sort of the problem, to reveal the problem you may have, or your clients, or whoever, your audience, right? And then bring the solution. So very cleverly designed. So how do those masks killing my confidence and peace? So there you go, it's explained. And the next prompt was, guide me how to write a declaration of who I am when no one's watching, okay, my real self. So that's very good. And then the number 4 prompt from this sequence was, teach me how to show up as a real self, even in uncomfortable situations. So you can even use them yourself and for self-healing and stuff like that, right? And by the end, I should feel lighter and even more real than I have in years. Okay, so here are the do's, what you want to do, weekly demasking ritual. Love it, I love it. Okay, very good. So it's just one example, guys. I'm gonna show you the product in a sec. So anyhow, from my written review, go check out the offer again. You can get it at a discounted price of $9.95, $10 during the launch. It will go live anytime soon. Okay, you're gonna also get my bonuses, which will blow your socks off. Okay, if I do remember, I'm gonna show you the bonuses as well. So here are my bonuses. They're all listed on my written review as well. I hope the light is okay. I'm probably looking a bit blurry and all of that, but who cares? You can hopefully hear me quite well. I have my microphone with me. This I didn't forget. Right, so here are my bonuses. So yeah, read all of that. Now let me show you the members area. So you're gonna have them delivered as a zip, okay, as a zip file. So you just click here on download. I've already done so. So here I have them. I have my bonuses here as well. So I'm gonna show them to you in a sec. But let me show you the front end and how it is nicely, beautifully organized. And by the way, you have all presented for you in a very clear, transparent way on the sales page. So you see, it's like that. So the name of the category says like wake up call framework. And then you have like a drop down, and it's all those 5 prompts that I showed you as I was going through the content that ChatGPT created for me earlier. So you have some examples, so you know exactly what you're buying. You see, this is how it looks. This one is probably, is it the PDF? Yeah, it's one of the Upsells. And this is the front end, is a, what you call it, Excel file, okay? And it's, yeah, very easy to use. So let me open it up now, the Excel. You have the cover here as well for, if you want to resell it. Even though you do have the cover, I would still encourage you guys to rebrand it. Create your cover. You can get inspired by the cover you get. The lazy ways, take it as is, okay? But, I would, if I was serious about rebranding it, reselling it, I would at least slightly, change up the look of it. I'm talking about the cover, not the actual content, okay? No. So, there you go. So we have the table of contents here. So that's what it looks like, you see. So you have 100 different categories, but under each category there are 5 prompts. So let me click on one of them, the stop lying to yourself frame. Yeah, as someone said, the worst lie we can tell is the lie that we tell to ourselves, right? Yeah, the most disgusting lie. So let me cut the self-delusion and tell the full truth. Amazing. Okay, so let me click on that. So you see, brings you to that content. This one in particular has 4 prompts, but most of them do have 5. And some of them do have 4. Okay, I see that some of them do have 4, but there were some that had 5, and the rest of them would have 4. So this one has 5 sort of sub-prompts. Okay, the survivor code framework. Help me write out the story of what I've survived, no matter how messy. There's so much content, guys, blogs, YouTube, TikToks, social media posts that you can create based on content that you'd get out of these prompts, okay? So yeah, you just copy from here and paste it into ChatGPT and then use it how you wish. So, and then if you want to go back to the table of contents, you just click on this back to table of contents, and voila, you're taken back to the table of contents. So very, very user-friendly and all of that. And here is, let me just show you, this is one of the Upsells. This is the Word and PDF. It's very good for reselling. This is the PDF. You see it's 109 pages long. So there you go. I mean, these seagulls are just something else. Wow. The sounds they make. I mean, yesterday, one of them just snatched half of a sandwich from my daughter's hand. You know, they're just cruel, brutal. Yeah, I'm talking about seagulls. All right. Okay, and my bonuses, guys, let me just show you a sneak peek into one of my bonuses. So let me show you this is the 300 ways how to make money with ChatGPT. This is a beautiful ebook I give you access to. This is just one of just one of the bonuses. Go through all of my bonuses. But this one is 85 pages long. Look at this. It's a PLR on top of that. So, you know, it's a product of it in itself, right? And then another one would be, I give you 2 sets of prompts as well as bonuses. So one of them is social media marketing ChatGPT prompts and marketing ChatGPT prompts. So let me open up the marketing one. Yeah, so there you go. You've got them all. You see how many categories. And if I click on any of them, there you go. That's what you get. I mean, thousands of prompts. Okay, thousands of prompts. I'm not going to just blah, blah, blah too much about my bonuses. You can check them all out on my written review. I don't want to make this review 1 hour long and all of that, especially that the quality of the video is probably not the best. I don't know. But you get my point. Amazing product for $10 with all of my bonuses. It's a steal of a deal. You want to pick it up, guys. It's amazing quality. It's something very trendy, something very, very valuable. You can help yourself. You can help others. And yeah, it's a very, very sought after niche, right? Okay, so check out my written review. And guys, I shall see you very soon. Ciao.